how to see friends' birthdays on Facebook. So you will only be able to see their birthdays if their birthdays are public or into the friends category. But if it's actually hidden, you can see it. So for example, let's head over right here to a friend's story or to a friend's profile. So we have in here this friend that we have. So let's click on this friend. And then from in here, let's head over right here to the about. Now from in here, you can scroll down, you can see their past events, highlights, and a lot more. Click on to see all about. And then right here, you can see their profile transparency. And as you can see, we can see their actual birthday. So what you can do is you can head over and then look for their about info as well. The creation date is only here and not their Facebook or their birthday. So you can look for another person's birthday right here if you want by clicking on their about info. As you can see, we can see their birthday right around here. So that's how you see friends' birthday on Facebook. Hope we help.